Now, the High Court sitting in Ho has dismissed a petition challenging John Peter Amewu's election as Member of Parliament for Hohoe due to the lack of jurisdiction. Approximately 17,000 voters from the Central Kofi, Akpafu, Likpe and Lolobi, known as SALL areas, did not vote in the 2020 parliamentary elections, leaving them unrepresented in the 8th Parliament due to the creation of the OT region from the Volta region. Some 5 residents from SALL filed a petition, but the court ruled that their challenge questioned the constitutionality of CI 128, which was beyond its jurisdiction, and thus dismissed the petition. There's more in this report.
The High Court in Ho has given its ruling on the SALL election petition challenging the election of John Peter Amewu as MP for Hohoe. The petitioners claim that the 2020 parliamentary elections held in Hohoe employed CI 128, which redelineated the Hohoe constituency and infringed on their right to vote and representation. They further argued that CI 128, which was intended to amend CI 95, which originally created the Hohoe constituency, did not mature per Article 47, 5 and 6 of the 1992 Constitution. After 42 months of hearing the case, the Ho High Court ruled that it lacked jurisdiction to pronounce the use of CI 128 for the parliamentary elections as improper.
Go back to the combined effect of this Article 2, 1, 2 and 1, 31 and 2. It is the Supreme Court which actually have the exclusive jurisdiction to enforce and to interpret the Constitution with respect to the matters before the court.
Meanwhile, a representative of the petitioners expressed their disappointment in the court's ruling and declared an intention to appeal the decision.
I am honestly disappointed in today's proceedings and everything in court. By the judge, as I understand as a layman, hiding behind the constitutional issues that were raised by us, the petitioners, blah blah, and saying that he has dismissed the case.
The Ho High Court has dismissed the petition brought before it challenging the election of John Peter Amewu, which was conducted on the 7th of December 2020 under the CI 128. It was a case of the petitioners that the CI was illegitimate and was not a proper amendment or revocation of CI 95, which originally established the Hohoe constituency. The High Court here in Ho says it lacked jurisdiction to rule on the matter. Reporting for Channel One TV, my name is Benjamin Aklama.